This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Worthen. Condo living with many amenities and a maintenance-free lifestyle, located in the heart of Chesapeake, near highways, bases, shopping, and entertainment. Spacious two-story condo with a wood-burning fireplace and a large wraparound deck/balcony overlooking a wooded lot. It has a dining room open to great room west/cathedral ceilings, eat-in kitchen. Kitchen comes with stainless steel appliances and a pantry. Bedroom with full bath downstairs, and bedrooms upstairs, one with ensuite and ample closet space, soaking tub/separate shower, cathedral ceiling, spacious laundry room upstairs. For more information, review the details below.